Today in this video we are going to discuss a language which is related to our data, that is SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is a set of commands which performs on data. It enables us to create and operate on data. There are various software on which we perform SQL such as Oracle, MySQL, JAM, WAM, etc. Now we classify SQL statement into three types. Number one is DDL, number second is DML, and last one is DCL. DDL stands for Data Definition Language. It performs tasks related to data definition. For example, create table, alter table, delete table. DML stands for Data Manipulation Language. It performs data related to tables such as retrieve, insert, modify. Number third is DCL. DCL stands for Data Control Language. It is a transaction of permanent or complete unit. For example, creating save point, making database permanent, and all that. So now the next topic is SQL elements. What are the SQL elements? These are few elements which are used for in SQL, such as number one is literal. Literal store fixed data value. Example, Achilles, Arpit, 8, and so on. Number second is data type. Data type. It is a type of data and associated operation in which we perform on it data. There are three types of data types. Number one is numeric, number second is data type, and number third is string. Numeric includes int type, float type, and decimal type, and so on. Number second is date and type. It includes date, time, date and time, so on. String it includes char, varchar, enum, and so on. Null value. Number third, null value includes blank spaces in data. And number fourth is comments. Comments includes there are three types of comment. Number one, which start from backslash star and so on. It is multi-line comment. Number second is two hyphens. It is single line comment. And number third is hashtag. It is also single line comments. After all this theory, now how can we use SQL in database? So first is how can we access our database? This syntax is use database name and semicolon. For example, there is database IMSCC. We use as a syntax IMSCC semicolon. There is no need of this. Use IMSCC semicolon. Now, after using database, we have to perform some operations. For example, create tables in which we store the data. We create a structure of our table. Its syntax is create table, table name, column name with starting bracket, data type, size terminated with comma, second column name, data type, size, and so on up to number of column which we want to insert in table, and terminated with semicolon. For example, if we want to create table student, so its syntax is create table student, SID as column name, varchar as data type, size is 12, second column name as name, varchar is data type, size 15, as phone number, int data type, 10 size, as address, varchar 25, separated with semicolon. Now this how this look in our database. This is how we store our student table. SID, as name, as phone, as address. This is a database. After creating table, we want to insert in table values. There are two syntax for insert in table. Number one is insert into table name, column list, values, and semicolon at the last. For example, if there is student table, we want to insert values in this. So insert into table name, that is students, column list, SIT, as name, as phone, as address, now values, and their values 8/2015, Arpit with separated with comma, 8891 Ghaziabad. One point is, notice that we use quotes, single quotes in character value, and we didn't use any quotes in numeric value. Now the second syntax is insert into table name, values with directly and separated with semicolon. For example, insert into student values A15 Akki 8215 Allahabad, separated with semicolon. These insert into table. Now how this table store in database? 8/2015 Arpit 8891 Ghaziabad, A15 Akki 8125 Allahabad. So this is a structure of database to store data. So after this, now we are moving to simple query of SQL. In SQL, we perform a query as select from where we want to select, from which table, where, condition which is satisfied. Number one is select all data. Syntax is select asterisk from, select star from table name. Example, if we want to show all our data from IMS, so select asterisk from IMS. Now number second is select particular data. This syntax is select asterisk from table name, where, condition. For example, select asterisk from IMS, where year equal to third, separated with semicolon. Now number third is select particular column. If we want to show special column in a table, so its syntax is select column name 2, and so on from table name, separated with semicolon. For example, if you want to show from IMS, select SID as name from student. Number 4 is implementing redundant data. Those data which is repeated in our database, we don't want to show. So using distinct keyword, we eliminate those data. Its syntax is select distinct from table name. So example, select distinct from IMS. It shows distinct values. Number 5 is view our structure of a table. Using syntax describe table name or DESC table name, separated with semicolon. Example, describe students. Number 6 is using column alias. In column alias, we change the name of that column, original column, to new column name. For example, select column name as new column name from table name. For example, if we change SID column name, we use select SID as student ID from student. In this we change the column name. Go. After various operations in SQL, now we want to sort our data. So its syntax is select column name or full column. So asterisk we use from table name, where predicate, where condition, or order by column name in which we want to sort our data. Note, in this default is ascending order. So we don't, if we want to sort our data in ascending order, we don't use predicate ASC. And if we want to sort our data in descending order, we use DESC for descending order. Ascending order is our default, and descending order if we want to sort our data in descending order. Number 8 is pattern matches. If we want to match our data with pattern, number 1 is percentage. It's matches character of any substring. For example, select asterisk from member where pin like 13. It shows values where pin is like 13, 13, 13, and the 13 line in any value, any type. Number 2 is underscore. It matches any character. For example, select asterisk from IMS where name like percentage. So it shows, underscore A. It shows the name of all the students where starting ending name is from A. For example, Akka and Dada and so on. If we want to match our character from starting, we use A underscore semicolon. If we want to search our second character A, we use A underscore A percent semicolon. So hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.